Today I'm going to be doing my Empties video. Of course my voice is still messed up, but that's okay. I hope it doesn't bother you too much. But I'm gonna do a quick Empties video. I have a few new products, more than just like my regular Empties to show, so I thought I would go through, share with you guys what I think about this stuff so I can finally throw it away. As always, I will start with some of my repeat products. So of course, I feel like this is in every Empties as well. This is my L'Oreal Feria Absolute Platinum Hair Dye. Mine is in the color Extreme Platinum. It's my all-time favorite one, and I always like to do this for my roots right before I do, like if I'm doing this gray color. And I really love this gray color, which I will also talk about, but I love how like my roots grow in with this. It's so subtle and I feel like it's really cute, and it just works really well for my color. So I feel like I'm gonna stick with this gray color for a while now. I just really love it and it's different. Two more repeats I always show. These are the Epielle makeup wipes. I have the one in Aloe Vera and I have the one in green tea. I love all of these. Big lots, $1, 30 wipes, $2 for 60 wipes. My all-time favorite. This is another product I got from Big Lots. It's also from Epielle, and this is called their Miceller cleansing water, and I really like the packaging of this one because it's the kind that like you press down on with like a little cotton pad or a makeup wipe and it will, you know, disperse through there. So I really like this one. It's super just easy and handy. I don't remember how much this was. Probably like definitely under $5, probably closer to like $3. I don't know. It was really inexpensive though, and whenever I was getting near the end of it, I was thinking like, do I want to repurchase this? And so I went a couple days without it, and I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna rebuy it. So I've already repurchased this and I've been using it for a few weeks now. I really like this just because I love these Epielle makeup wipes, but sometimes when you get near the end of them, they kind of start to dry out just a little bit, and it's just so good at like re-wetting them, and I love it for removing my face makeup. It's just so quick and so easy. So I feel like this is a new product that's going to be a reoccurring one in my Empties for quite a while now. Another product I've shown a million times before. This is the Etude House Mascara Remover One Shot Clean. I love this one so much. It's one of those dual phase ones that you shake up and use to remove your eye makeup. I feel like it does such an amazing job, and I buy this one over and over. I really love it and I would totally recommend it. The next two things I have are actually the same product, and I love this one so much. It's my all-time favorite. You can't even tell what this is anymore. These are my lip liners that I really love. This one I still have just a tiny bit left, like literally a tiny bit. So that one, I mean, I'm gonna count it for this video, but there's just a tiny bit left. This one's like completely empty. I don't even think I can get this out of here anymore just because it's literally so short. Got it. Gosh, like it's like completely empty. Like you can't even. But this is my all-time favorite lip liner. It's from NYX. It's called Natural, and it's like probably $3. All-time favorite one. I need to like just stock up on these because they are like my perfect lip liner color. It's the one I'm wearing today, and I have the Makeup Revolution lip gloss in the color Salted Caramel over the top of it. I feel like it's just the perfect color for me and my all-time favorite. So I would totally buy this again. I feel like this is probably like my 8th one of these, to be honest. Another product I finally used up. This one I probably used up about a month ago, probably like right after my last Empties video, and this is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage. I really love this. I got it in my BoxyCharm. At first I didn't really like it at all, and I thought it was a weird product, but it's basically just this like little gel you put under your eyes, and it kind of like does this like tightening sensation, and I really liked it. But this is so expensive, I would never purchase it. Even though I really enjoyed using it and I'd like to have it again, it's not something I feel like I would spend a lot of money on, but if you get it in a box, I feel like it's totally cool. I liked it. So yeah, too expensive for me to repurchase, but I liked it. This was a BB cream that I used up, and I've been trying to like get a lot better at like using up a lot of stuff that I have because I have a lot of makeup and I like to buy a lot of makeup, but I try to use up things when I can, and sometimes I will force myself to use up things. But this one I actually really like. This is from the Saem. It's called the Saemmul BB cream. This one's the A Clean BB cream. I did a review on this one. There are 4 different ones. There's the moist one, there's the A Clean one, there's the pore one, and then there's the cover one. This one is the red one, and it's probably out of all 4 of them my absolute favorite. It is the perfect color for me. It's that slightly gray toned kind of BB cream, and this one is a little bit of a smaller one. This one is only half a fluid ounce or 15 milliliters, but I mean it's a good one because it's really easy to travel with because it is so small, and if you don't like it, you didn't waste a whole lot of money because I think this was literally $3 or $4 whenever I purchased it from either Rose Shop or Sweet Korea. I'll have to double check, but I really really like this and I would buy it in the future, but it's not one that I feel like I have to rush out and buy, but it's definitely a BB cream I would buy in the future. My next empty is obviously my hair color that I did. I am still filming a progress video for how it has been fading. Although I have been slacking a little bit, I wish I would have done better on that one, but I've just been traveling, I've been sick, and I've just been going non-stop, so I've missed a couple updates, but I will try my best to kind of, you know, keep up with it. But this is the Etude House two-tone treatment. This one is in the color Ash Gray number 7. I love this one a lot. I really love the Misho Ash Gray as well, but the bottles of those are a little bit smaller, and this one was like $6 for this huge container. I pretty much used one whole container for one application, so for $6 to do all my hair, I feel like it worked so well, and I love this color. To be honest, I feel like it's fading very similarly to the last grays that I did as well, but this one was just such a good price and I loved it, and it's totally one I see myself using, and it honestly might be my favorite gray. I feel like I keep saying that every time I try a new gray hair dye, but this one's so good. It doesn't have any harsh smells because it is a hair color treatment, and sometimes I feel like the name hair color treatment seems like it wouldn't be as like long lasting as like the dyes, but honestly I think it's been working just as well as like the L'Oreal one that I tried that I really love. These 7, what's it called? Is it 8S Soft Silver Blonde? I think that's what it's called. But I love that one as well. I would totally use all of those again, but right now I just really love this one. I like how it's been fading. It's really nice and pretty. It's nothing like turning into like a gross gray or anything. It's definitely going a little bit more of that like silvery blonde kind of gray, which I love. It doesn't matter to me, but totally love this one. Super affordable, and I think I have like 2 more bottles of this one, but I would 100% recommend this one and purchase it in the future. And the last 2 things I have are just those little Scentsy cube wax things that I love. These are just like the Walmart brand one. This is Mainstays Apple Pumpkin Wax Cubes. You'd think it's fall. I mean, it's like summer now, but I still love these so much. And this is my all-time favorite one. This is the Sensational Wax. This is the Pumpkin Marshmallow Cream. So good. Oh, so good. I want to like save this just so I can keep smelling it because I know they're not going to have this until fall time, but this is probably my all-time favorite Scentsy wax and I love it. Another product that I have that I'm pretty much going to just call a little bit early. I still have a little bit of this left, but this is the Cover FX Blurring Primer from Cover FX. That's what it is. This is another product I got in my BoxyCharm box, and I really like this one as well. I just love it because it does like fill my pores, and it has lasted me so long. I feel like I might have gotten this like last July maybe or something, maybe August, around that time, but it's now May, almost June, and I have been using it pretty much non-stop. Now I do just use it on the bridge of my nose and a little bit across my cheeks, so it does last me quite a bit longer because I'm not putting all over my face, but I really love this one, but I just can't spend the like $40 it is for this product, but it's a really good one, and like I said, if I ever got this like in another box or something, I would totally love it because it's just so good. But I think I might have found a really good dupe of it that's a lot less expensive. This is from Etude House. It's called the Fix and Fix Primer Pore. I do have a video on this one if you want to see more of what I think about it, but overall I'm a really big fan of this one as well, but I love this one, and there's only just a tiny bit left of it, so yeah, really good one. And the last one I have, again, I probably have like maybe 2 uses of this left. This is the NYX Dewey Finish Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. This one I actually ended up getting from Ulta like as a free gift, I think like last May almost, or maybe it was last March, I don't know. Like last March, not like last March. But this one was the Dewey one, and I actually really liked this one. It was really good. It did have a little bit more of an alcohol smell to it, but it was one that I felt like it really did make your skin look dewy. You could totally overdo it and get a little bit greasy looking, but overall it was so good, and I could totally see myself like buying this in the future. I feel like it'd probably be under 10 bucks or so. I feel like it'd be like maybe an $8 to $6 type of product, but I do have another one in my collection I want to use up before I repurchase anything, but it was a really good one. The mister was okay. It could have been a little finer, but overall not the worst one ever, and I really enjoyed this product, so I'm really glad I got it and it was free. So that is it for my empties video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below, and until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.